Yes, try to translate.
Yeah. I believe we're discussing about the role of parents in Islam.
Yes.
Yeah. My quote I want to contribute is about the fact that the Prophet Muhammad SAW, he has given us a guideline that a parent must follow. If you don't follow that guideline as a parent, you have failed, even if you think you have succeeded. And that guideline is to make sure that you have taken care of the child that you brought forth on earth. You don't just give birth to children without any guidance or some procedure you have laid down for the children. And that procedure is to teach the children their religion. Because the Prophet Muhammad has made us understand that every child was born into Islam. But the one who makes the child firm in Islam or onto his religion is going to be the parent. So if the child sways away from the path of Islam, then it's the fault of the parent. If he remains on the path of Islam, then it's the fault of who it becomes the parent who contributed to his success. And the Prophet ﷺ also made us understand that إذا مات ابن آدم انقطع عمله إلا من ثلاث صدقة جارية أو علم ينتفع به أو ولد صالح. In three cases that as a person when you die, you keep on benefiting even if you are in your grave. And one of the main components of that benefit is that you leave behind a child who knows that when I pray, I have to pray for my father, I have to pray for my mother. Just like Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said in the Quran, وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدَ إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَاهُمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَهُمَا أُفٍّ. How would a child grow to know this if he doesn't know his religion? So it is the duty or the responsibility of a parent to educate the child or the children about his own religion, to understand it and not only understand it but practice it. When you do that as a parent, you are developing your child. Wherever your child goes, you don't have a problem. If not, anything your child will do, you would have a share of the punishment in whatever he does because you didn't control him when he was growing. Now he has become a big an adult. He does whatever he wishes. You play your part as a parent by training him and giving him the Islamic foundation. If he grows and he goes to join something else, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows you have done your part. So I believe the primary role of a parent in Islam is to teach the child the religion. If you build upon that, some parents tend to sway away from that and rather build the children on properties. I want to build this for my child. I want to open this business for my child. I want to leave behind some money. Yes. We don't focus on developing the psychological side of the child. I am the fourth born of 9 children of my father. He never joked with our education. Wallahi. Anytime you want to do something, it must be about knowledge. يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات. Those who have knowledge, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never leaves them behind. When we started the program, I was observing certain things and I was asking my father here. I said, knowledge is sweet and beautiful. It straightens a person. And when you look at someone speaking, like the way you are seated here, as a doctor, as an educationist, I'm also an educationist. MashaAllah. I see that and then I become very proud. So they said your father is now. I was very, 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 very happy when I realized that. So I believe my talk has become lengthy, but emphasis on educating the child is very, very important. Africa, where I'm coming from, for example, a lot of people don't care about education. They focus on money, work, money, work, money, work. No. Focus on educating the child, and inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make things easy. Thank you.